Our Niger party jollof rice is ready. Look at that. It looks so yummy and it tasted so delicious. So let me quickly show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this jollof rice recipe. That is about 3 cups of rice. I have my bell pepper. I have my tin tomatoes. That's the fresh tomatoes. And I have my spices and seasoning cubes, oil of onions, bell pepper, habanero peppers. So guys, this is a very quick recipe and I'm showing you the rice. So go ahead and place oil on the fire. When the oil is heated, don't allow the oil to get very hot. Go ahead and saute the onions for like 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you have to bring in the tomato paste and fry. This one comes in a tube, so you have to fry it until when it is dry. Here I'm going to add the pepper mix, the tomato and the pepper mix. That's the bell pepper, the habanero. You blend them together and you mix. And here's the rice. Allow it to fry. You have to fry the tomatoes very well. You make sure that it gets dry. That way you're certain that the sour taste is no longer there. So after that, you have to wash your rice very well. Wash it till the water runs clear and bring the rice into your tomato mix. Before doing this, I had added seasoning and any seasoning of your choice, and make sure to taste is if everything is okay. After that, you cover it with foil paper for it to cook. And when it's ready, you have to bring in your butter and onions. So that is the rice and it came out of my eye. What do you guys think? It looks so yummy. Even the images, this is not doing justice to this rice because the color was so beautiful and it tasted so delicious. So guys, this is Gary and Eru. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.